Okay, guys, good evening and thank you for coming. So we'll start with, as planned last week, we wanted to do a revision, thorough revision for the next 4 weeks, preparing you all for your exam that is in December, right? So our plan is paper one, paper two, paper one, paper two, as much as possible. We'll try to complete within the next 4 to 5 weeks, because I think we have one more week in December also to cover. So because your exams are starting only on the 8th. So the week before that also, we can do one class in December. So totally about 5 weeks. Very good, good enough. We'll try to do as much as possible your revision exams, revision questions, right? If there are any questions, please ask. I'm most happy to help you all out. So I don't want to waste any time because we have to do many questions. We'll try to go on till 10 o'clock. We don't want, because last week and all, we stopped at 9:30, 9:35. So I want to try to do as much as possible till 10 today, right? So I think the paper has been already with you all, and hopefully you have taken some copies of it. So we'll start with paper one, part one, the 25 short answer questions. So there are 25 questions in part one. So this is how you should time yourself. The first 25 questions you need to finish in about 45 minutes. That's how your timing should be. 25 questions, 25 questions, 45 minutes. Then you still have another 1 hour and 15 minutes. You need to do 5 questions. So the 5 questions, you have 1 hour and 15 minutes. Each question you need to do in about 15 minutes. So that should be the target that you should give yourself. The 5 questions, each question 15 minutes. So you have ample time to finish your paper, right? So do your, and use your paper, use the school, when you answer your questions, take as much as possible the papers, write one question on one side. Don't put 2-3 questions in the same paper. It will become very messy. So if you're going to start a new question, start with a new page. Okay. So be very methodical, clear in how you answer your questions. All right. So this should be the plan. 25 questions in 45 minutes, 5 questions in 1 hour 15 minutes, more than enough to complete your exam on time. Right. Now we'll start with question number 1. Mention the following with an answer of 1. So when you read this for the first time, you normally tend to get confused. What are they trying to tell? They are saying mention the following with an answer of 1. So what they're saying is log x, log base x, x is equal to 1. That's how it should be. Right? So question number 1, out of these 4 options that they have given you, which ones will give you an answer of 1? That's what they are trying to ask, right? So let's look at one by one. So first one, question number A, they're giving you log base x, x is equal to 1. That's what they're trying to say. So let's see if this is actually working out. Write this in index form. So what you need to do, write this in index form. This is your log form. So index form is what? Base to the power x to the power 1 is equal to x. This is your index form, right? So correct, no? So x to the power 1 is equal to x. Correct. So then first one is a correct answer. Okay. Let's look at the second B question. B, they're saying log base x 1 is equal to 1. Let's try to write this in index form. So x to the power 1 is equal to 1. Is x to the power 1 should equal to x, not 1. So therefore, this is wrong. Okay. Then C question, log. So LG, what do they mean by LG? LG means in short form log to the base 10. So log base 10 is equal to 1. That's what they ask you to show. So 10 to the power 1 is equal to 10. Correct? 10 to the power 1 is equal to 10. So therefore, C is also correct. Okay. And D, let's look at D. Again, log LG. So log base 10 5 is equal to 1. So write this in index form, 10 to the power 1 is equal to 5, which is not possible at all. 10 to the power 1 is equal to 10. Therefore, this is wrong. So what are the two options that are correct? A is correct. C is also correct. That's what you need to show in your answer. So your two correct answers are A and C. Okay. Question number 1. Right. Please take this down carefully. Right. Any questions? It's quite easy. As soon as you break it down, this is your log form, this is your index form. That's how you need to look at it. All right. And they're asking you which one is correct, giving you an answer of 1. So the correct answer is A and B. All right. All right. Going on to question number 2. We'll go on to question number 2. I'm going to erase this, take this out. Question number 2. Solve 2 plus 2m over 3 is equal to 8. So the word solve means what? You need to find the value of x. They want you to find the value of x. So 2 plus 2m over 3 is equal to 8. Right? So equations, your basic knowledge on equations. How do you solve equations? First you take out the addition part. So this is plus 2. So plus 2, when you take it to the other side, so we want to make m the subject of the formula, right? We want to find out what is the value of m. So keep m on one side, take all the other numbers to the other side.